Hi, everyone. Successful restaurants are data-driven restaurants, and yet the majority of them are having trouble leveraging data to take decisions. And that is especially true when it comes to cutting costs. Cutting costs is hard, and we all know it. And whoever has been on a self-improvement journey knows that looking within starts with clarity. You need to see clearly into your business, into your operations, to understand where you need to improve. Clarity is what's missing. And clarity is missing for obvious reasons. Today, the data in businesses is deeply corrupted. If you're working in a multi-branch hospitality business, chances are your branches are naming their items and their suppliers in different ways. And that means that aggregating that data, putting it together for your decision makers, is time-consuming. The second reason is that tools are hard to use. Now, what does that mean? It means that your staff is not able to leverage that tool as much as they should. And those tools are centralized around a handful of resources who are in charge of putting that data in, day in and day out. And lastly, decisions need to wait, because reports take time, cleaning that data takes time, aggregating that data takes time, and that means that you are paying the price. You're paying the price because right now you may be selling dishes at a loss without knowing it, because you're not tracking your ingredients in real time and the profitability of your recipes in real time, because that data takes time and effort to go from the ground and into your system. Right now, your business might be operating with a huge variance in its back of house. Why? Because that data takes time to input. And this is all while your team is wasting thousands of hours putting that data in and dealing with that chaos. And that is exactly why we created Suppi. Suppi is a restaurant management inventory platform built for multi-branch hospitality businesses with the intent of cutting costs, reducing waste, and maximizing profits. Yes, our platform covers all of the operations in the back of house, from smart procurement to a cutting-edge inventory software to a market-leading menu engineering platform. But is this enough? Is this enough? And the answer is no. You need, in order to cut costs and boost profits, you need to build products built on a strategy. You need to build your products with a deep conviction and a deep vision of empowering businesses to start using data in order to make decisions. And so Suppi's products are built with this strategy in mind. First of all, we built a unified data architecture. 2, we democratize the entry to data across your resources. And 3, we make sure that decisions do not wait so that you can take instant decisions. Let's start with a unified data architecture. With Suppi, your items, your suppliers, your ingredients are configured in the exact same way across your branches. What does that mean for you? That means that you can understand what's going on in your business with just a click. You do not have a middleman trying to take all of that information from the ground and inputting it in your system because your team doesn't know how to use the system. 2, a democratized access to data. By creating a mobile inventory app, you're empowering each member of your staff to take the data that is relevant to them and pushing it into the system. What does that mean? This means that your system is being fed with reliable, up-to-date, trustworthy data all day long. Take the example of a waiter who just dropped a dish. He can register this as a wastage on the spot. Take the example of a chef who just did his stock count. He can register his stock count on the spot. And to add a layer of control to that, Suppi has created an in-depth approval workflow and powerful user permissions to make sure that that data is reliable and controlled. And lastly, when it comes to making decisions, Suppi has a built-in suite of dashboards that enable instant decision-making from your decision makers. 0 designers, 0 training required. These dashboards are easy to use. They are powered by live data that is fed by your team every single day. Now, is this vision or is this reality? This is reality. And the numbers speak for themselves. Whether it's a celebrity chef like Hatem Matar or a renowned name like Pinza, the numbers are here. And is it just for them? It's not. It's for 2,000, more than 2,000 of the leading hospitality businesses in the region and across the world. So come and talk to us. We are an exciting company to work with. We have cutting-edge products that will benefit your business. We are at Booth 8. Come see a free demo. Thank you very much.